everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in or log in to your Woodforest online banking account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Start off by launching open a web browser of your choice. Once you are in the search box at the top, type in woodforest.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official web page for Woodforest National Bank. Go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the login button in order to log into your existing online banking account. Now, you will need to fill in some of your credentials. Enter your username in the first text box that is associated with your online banking account, and then enter your password on the next field. If you're having trouble remembering your username and password, you can click on this Forgot Your Password or Forgot Your Username link respectively. If you're not yet enrolled into online banking for Woodforest, go ahead and click on Enroll in Online Banking. Finally, after filling in all of your details, click Login and you will be able to sign into your online banking account for Woodforest National Bank. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.